Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar. This is a new series where I'm introducing about JavaScript objects and we will see complete JavaScript objects and we will see operations, actions and what are the different ways of creating the objects, everything. But in this video, we'll try to introduce what are objects in JavaScript and also how to create them. Let me quickly jump into VS Code. So here I have created three files: index.html, index.js, style.css. But in this video, let's focus on index.html and index.js. So here I have created a index.html and let me embed index.js into index.html. Let me write a script tag where I can use src, where that src is pointing to my index.js. That is the path for my index.js. Now I can use this index.js in my index.html, and also I wrote one h1 tag that is indicating JavaScript object introduction. So here what I want to do is I want to go to index.js and let me see whether this index.js is invoking as expected or not. Let me write a small console like console.log of Sai and let me save this. Now let me reload the application. Here if you see JavaScript object introduction and I am seeing the console that is Sai. That means it is coming from index.js. These two has been successfully embedded each other. So let's understand about an object in JavaScript. In this, an object is a collection of different types of key pair values where it includes a key with a different data type value. That means a string can be a value or a number can be a value, and also a function can be a value. So how to create that objects? It's very simple to create an object where obj is equal to, it's an object syntax, that is a curly braces. So inside this curly braces I can write any of the key pair values, like name is a key and I can give some name here. Let me give Sai Kumar, and this is a string type, whereas I can give age, that is a 10, and also I can give something like a function get name, which is an anonymous function, that is nameless function, and I can give console.log of some get name value. So this is the way where we are creating a different type of key pair values, which includes a string, number as well as a function. So now let me try to print this console.log of obj. That means I'm printing whole object. Let's see in the console. Let me go to the browser, clear it and reload. If you see here, I'm getting three properties, that is age, name as well as a get name. So here if you see, I'm getting the values for age, get name as a name and also a function. This is where the objects comes in. That means an object can be defined as a different type of key pair values where keys will be static, where the values can be changeable, and that values may be anything. That is an object with string, an object with number, a key with string, a key with number, a key with a function. So I can define my object in any way. Even you can add array into the your object. For example, I'm giving one more property called as mobiles, which is an array. I can add n number of values into this, 819000 something like this, comma, I can give 8787878787. These are my mobile numbers where I can give inside an object as an array. That means an object can accept any key pair value. Each key will be a string, whereas value may vary, or else even you can add an object as an object. That means I want to add some more object to this. For example, address. So this is my object where address will have address name and also street name colon something like some street, and also I can give an address name like house, something like this. Let's see how it displays in our console. Let me go back, clear it off and reload. Here if you see, I can see the name, address, age, get name, mobiles. That means an array, a nested object, a string as well as an number. That means it's a collection of different type of data types in a key pair values. So that is how the object is defined, and we can define this object in different number of ways, and we can access the variables or the properties of this object in different ways. We will see that accessing and the different type of creating this in our next video. Hope you guys like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.